Good afternoon. Covian welcomes you all to the webinar on Oracle Learn Digitalize the Learning Platform. I am Jashwant Prajapati, Associate Consultant at Covian. The agenda of today's webinar is to discuss the features of the Learn module, process flow of the Learn module, integration provided by Oracle Learn module, key benefits of the Learn module, and Covian's value adds. Covian is a business transformation and technology solution partner. Our portfolio on Oracle HCM Cloud talks about our experience across different Oracle HCM Cloud and Taleo modules, including Oracle Recruiting Cloud. Learn module supports all training methods such as digital learning, e-learning, blended learning, social learning, remote learning, and classroom training. Learn module comes with a high-level process flow starting from define learning, communities, employee self-service, track completion, and monitor learning trends and analysis. If you have implemented Oracle Talent Management and you are managing employees' performance and development goals, employee can choose their learning plan based on their development goals. Employee can compare their skills and capabilities against the requirement of their existing or potential future roles. Learning modules can be integrated with multiple external providers like YouTube Video Search, Skillsoft, LinkedIn, Webex. Automatic alerts can be set up based on the company process like completion of courses, recommended courses, renewal of certifications, assigned courses, and requested courses. In addition to the company provided education curriculum, it supports a variety of tools that allows various experts in the company to learn and discuss themes of their interest like sharing education content in all groups, like for example common education sexual harassment prevention education, which is almost mandatory in all the organization, BP education content, etc. Let's now quickly run through a live demo of the module. I, as an employee, logged into a Oracle HCM Cloud application to check my learning. Under me, learn option is available as a quick action. I can click on the learn and I can see the page learning module provides for the employees. Here I can see the total number of overdue learnings for this employee. I can see the total number of required learning for this employee, and I can also see the hours of learning this year has done by this employee. If I click on the overdue learning, the system will directly take me to the courses for which I am overdue. I can see the total number of days I am overdue. Similarly, I can see the details of the courses for required learning. If I click on the current learning, I will be able to see the details of the courses which I am currently learning. I can see the current status of the courses. I can see the total number of days if the course is overdue, and I can also see the day by which the course will get overdue. If I click on view transcript, I will be able to see the history of the courses which I have completed. If I click on what to learn, I will be able to see the details of the courses which like required learning, recommended learning, and voluntary learning. Here I can see the total number of days this course has been overdue. I can see the name of the course. I can see the total number of voluntary learning. Currently for this employee there is no voluntary learning, and I can see the details of the recommended learning. These recommended learnings are the learnings which have been recommended by my colleagues or by my manager or by my HR. I can directly click on the course and I can start learning. If I click on my learning communities, I will be able to see the details of the communities which I am a member of, and I can also see the communities which I am managing. I can also create a new community from create community and I can manage it. If I click on my shared learnings, I will be able to see the courses which I have contributed in the system. I can see the details of the videos which I have loaded and shared with my colleagues. I can see the tutorials which I have created, and I can also see the recommendations made by me to my colleagues. If I click on browse catalog, I will be able to see the details of all the courses which are there in the provided by the organizations. It is nothing but a library of courses. I can choose the course which I like. I can click on the course. I can see the details of the course. I can see the rating of the course. I can also see how many people have provided the rating. I can see the exported effort, I can see the details of the activities, I can choose the course, I can enroll myself into the course, and I can start learning. I can also click on the action and recommend this course to my colleagues directly from here. I can, if you are a manager, you can also recommend this course to your team directly from here. I can also provide my rating for this course. I can copy the link and share this link with my colleagues. I can provide my reviews through comment, and I can report the course if I feel like this course is inappropriate in any manner. So this is the basic life cycle of employee learning page. Coming to the key benefits, learning module supports multiple training methods. Learning module provides specific learning path or program to employees, automated compliance training, and accessible learning from any device, including when the device is offline. Our value adds come with intuitive dashboards, interactive infolets, 20 plus reports and analytics, customized alerts, personalized learning audio, and API support. We have reached the end of the session. Please feel free to reach the Cobion for more information at info@cobion.com. Thank you.